Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Natasha Raina Salsabila with IT number 2405039411. I will present about the difference in culinary arts learning outcome for science and social studies student of grade 11 at Istiqlal Delhi Tua High School. Next. Outline. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, research methodology. Number 3, finding and discussion. Number 4, consultation and recommendation. Next. Introduction. Number 1, to find out the learning outcome of culinary arts in class 11 science student. Number 2, to find out the learning outcomes of culinary art in the class 11 social student. Number 3, to find out the difference in learning outcomes of Indonesian submaterial in science and social student in class 11 senior high school Istiqlal Delhi Tua. Next, research question. How are the learning outcome of culinary art of student maturing in science and social grade 11 of senior high school Istiqlal Delhi Tua? Next, theoretical frameworks. Number 1, introduction and understanding of food industry, tools or machines. Number 2, introduction to basic or main ingredients, recipe, and nutrition. Number 3, introduction to food processing techniques, starting with preparing basic ingredients into high testing food according to international standard quality. Next, methodology. Technique used is a random sampling. Data collection is taken using a test, data analysis, tendency test, analysis requirement test, Lilly for normality test, homogeneity test, hypothesis test. Next, finding. The result of the study showed that there was no difference between science and social students in the culinary arts subject of Indonesian submaterial. This can be seen from the result of the tendency test and the result of the same hypothesis test obtained a high category. The result of the tendency test showed that the learning outcome of culinary tests in class 11 science 3 and 11 social 1 student in the Indonesian submaterial of class 11 senior high school Istiqlal Delhi Tua tended to be quite in the category of 100%. Then on the result of the hypothesis test, a two-part statistical test was carried out and the table calculation was obtained, namely -2, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 5, 5. This proves that there is not difference between class science 3 and social 1. Next, discussions. Based on the research result, besides showing that there is not difference between science and social student, it does not mean that there is not that need to be improved. In the learning process of example, at, at least students are given teaching material such as student worksheet so that students do not wait for the lesson given by the teacher. The existence of the student worksheet or other teacher material which makes students more active in the teaching and learning process because it is not monotone writing and the practicing. Next, Conclusion. The learning outcome of culinary art in class 11 science 3 student on the Indonesian sub material of class 11 senior high school Istiqlal Deli Tua are in the high category of 100%, with an average of 75, 96 and a standard deviation of 8 to 6. The learning outcome of culinary arts in class 11 Social 1 student on the Indonesian submaterial of class 11 Senior High School Istiqlal Deli Tua are in the high category of 100%, with an average of 75 for 1 and a standard deviation of 7.1. The result of the test analysis showed that there was no difference in learning outcome in the scope of Indonesian sub-material competencies in class 11 senior high school Istiqlal Deli Tua in student maturing in Science 3 and Social 1 with the result of the hypothesis test obtained a table calculation of minus 2, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 5, 5. Next, suggestion. Improve student knowledge of culinary arts learning outcome on Indonesian submaterial or other improve better facilities and encourage student enthusiasm of learning both during theory and practice. Of example, providing a sleekly complete and comfortable practice room, and students must be able to increase their enthusiasm in the learning process to be even better. Next, any question? Okay, Indah Febrianti.
Okay, thanks for your opportunity. I will ask, are there any factors that influence the result of the study? Thanks.
Okay, the answer is yes. The first in the characteristic of the student themselves, such as interest and motivation. The second is the learning method. The third is the facilities that support in the practicum. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you guys. And thank you for the attentions guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.